Hi everyone, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let me show you how to make strawberry cake. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please support my channel by clicking on that subscription button and also like and share this video. So to make strawberry cake, you need 3 eggs for this recipe. Crack the egg and pour the egg yolk and the egg white into your large mixing bowl. Use your hand mixer to mix it, and while mixing, add in your sugar gradually. Next, add in your liquid milk or water, then continue mixing. So guys, this is my fresh strawberry fruit which I'm going to be using for today's cake recipe. Blend it and pour it into your wet mixture, then continue mixing with your hand mixer until you mix everything together. So next, use your sieve to sieve in your flour into your wet mixture, and once you are done, use a whisk or a spatula to combine your dried ingredients and your wet mixture gently. And once you form a perfect batter for your cake, go ahead and pour the cake batter into your baking pan, and while doing so, make sure you switch on your oven to preheat your oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So finally, transfer your cake into your oven and let it bake for at least 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, take out your cake from the oven, then insert a toothpick inside the cake, and if the toothpick come out clean and dry, it means your cake is well baked. But if it come out wet, go ahead and place back your cake in the oven and bake for another more minutes. Finally, this is what my strawberry cake look like after I'm done baking. And please don't forget to like and share this video. See you guys on my next video.